Working here, you can really feel it with the people I work with. Like, they're definitely putting the customers as their top priority, which is really great, and make sure they got everything that they needed out of their call. It's been like really nice to be able to get that experience there.
The way that we develop our conversations with our clients and the way that our core values are attached to those things that we do definitely help on the way that we perform and on the way we run the business.
Well, we have plenty of activities. We have coachings through the day. We have a lot of knowledgeable going around the office from our supervisors, from our coworkers. I think that we have a good relationship in between one another. If you do your job in a proper way, and if you have people that supports that way of life and that pura vida experience and that pura vida feeling, it's everything that you need in order to be the best employee that you can become.